Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by accessing devices settings and scrolling all the way down to access system and updates. Following that, click on simple mode and choose enable at the bottom. As you can see, after that, easy mode is on. If you wish to turn it off, go into settings, click on exit simple mode at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!